Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you in this tutorial how to create a multiple floor plan. So before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget to like and share. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you, if you have a typical floor plan, so you no need to create alone. It's very easy. I will show you how. First of all, I create a one room to clear just your concept. Okay, so I draw a wall. And this is 5 meters. Okay, and also here 5 meters, 5 meters, and 5 meters. Okay, so after that I click this wall, shift, select one wall. After that shift and select all, and click to level 2. Okay, now I go to south elevations. This is 4 meter height and this room wall. Okay, click to 3D view. So this is one room. I click here and shade. Okay, so now this is one room. What I do, I click level 1. First of all, I create a floor. Okay, and select a floor rectangular, and from here to here, this just I want to clear your concept. Okay, I create here a floors. I don't put the value of floors 15 centimeters and 40 centimeters and 30 centimeters. This is just to clear concept. Okay, so now I go to again architectural and click here a door. Okay, I select here door and again select window, and I have one window here. Okay, I don't also put the door dimension and window dimension and height, but I create just only to show how to create this. Okay, I go to 3D view. This is a one room floor and with wall, windows and doors. Okay, now I have this 8 floors. Okay, so this what I do now, go to south elevations. Okay, this is the south elevations. Now I have 7 floor. Okay, so what I do, first of all I create a levels. Okay, I click here levels, and here make opposite my level height. Okay, I keep all 4 meters and click the pick line, and this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, I have already 7 levels. Okay, but I create 8 levels. I will tell you later why I create this 8. Okay, so go to again the level 1. Okay, I select this all. Okay, copy and paste, align to select level. I select this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and click OK. So now I select the 3D view. See, this all is copy and paste is the same direction because this is a typical floor. Okay, now I want to create here a roof. So that's why I leave this the level 8, because I want to create here a roof. If I don't create this one, so the roof will appear and here. So I don't want to here, I want to roof here. Okay, so go to level 8. Okay, so now you see, I will tell you 7. I This is level 7. Okay, I see the floor plan, but if I create here roof, I will show you just rectangular and okay. So if I select the 3D, see here create the roof, but here I don't want to here. So what I do, I select this one and delete. Okay, go again level 8. Level 8 I did not see the wall here, because how I draw a roof here. So he the property here, his underlay, this underlay you should select this level 8. Okay, select, because we work on level 8 to select 7. Okay, see now this appear, but height, we this is just we see here the level 7 wall. Okay, so now I create to roof. I click the roof and make a rectangular, and I create offset here 1 meter. Okay, and create a rectangular here. Okay, this 1 meter I offset to create this offset 1 meters. Okay, I now to click finish. So now go to 3D view. See, this is now create a roof, and I hope you like this tutorial.